Welcome to Prod Hat channel. In this video, we are going to check out the best epilators in India. We all need to take care of our hygiene and beauty by removing the unwanted hair on our body, especially on the face. Well, epilators are one of the best go-to options if you want to remove the hair from the roots. They come with rotating tweezers that pluck the hair from roots. In comparison to shaving, it doesn't lead to skin blemishes or ingrow hair. But before we jump to know about the different types of epilators, you must first know what epilators are. In simple terms, an epilator is a handheld hair removal device similar to an electric shaver. The significant difference between both is that the shavers cut hair by blades while epilators pull the hair using rotating tweezers. Also, apart from this, regular use of epilators help decrease hair growth and thickness over time. Different types of epilators. Epilators are majorly categorized into three types: rotating, spring and tweezers. Spring type epilators. This type of epilators is the most basic model with a spring mechanism. This epilator is further categorized into two types: electrical and manual. Rotating disc epilator. The rotating disc epilator have rubber discs instead of spring. This is a significant difference between spring and rotating disc epilator. During the movement of these discs, the hair gets grabbed and pulled out of the skin. Later, the rubber discs are replaced with metallic discs covered in a plastic casing for safety purpose. Tweezer type epilator. These are the latest addition in the category of epilators. They are equipped with a tweezing mechanism. Unlike the general metallic discs in rotating disc epilators, these epilators is tiny metallic plated that acts as tweezers. After knowing the difference between the tweezers, we have also come up with a guide that could help you out to choose the right one for yourself. Cordless or corded. Cordless epilators are powered with standard batteries that provide 40 minutes of run on a single charge. This directly means that you need to replace the batteries once the power drains out. So, it is best if you epilate more often, then you can go for rechargeable or corded models. Tweezers. Epilators come with tweezers that are different and ranging from 1 to 72. So, in case you are a beginner, take some time before you invest in an epilator. If you invest in an epilator with more tweezers, it will help you to complete the epilation quickly, but it can be painful at the time. Wet and dry. Some modern epilators can be used even in showers or underwater. Many brands have come up with dry and wet epilator models that make the epilation much easier. As you might have gotten the idea that epilating is a bit painful and less messy, the option to use an epilator in warm water will help calm down the skin. Water will help the body become less sensitive, making the hair plunking less painful. Wet and dry epilators are waterproof and come with safety features that shut off the device once the plug is removed. Speed settings. Few epilator models come with different speed settings based on your hair type. It is best if you choose the best model available. Epilating different body parts require different level of speed. For example, arms and thighs are stiff and require fast speed setting, while for a bikini area and underarm area, slow speed is better. Noise. To be honest, epilators are very noisy. They can sometimes be as loud as an electric razor, and often it can be louder than them. This sound can sometimes be off-putting at first, but you eventually get used to it. But if you are looking for an epilator and doesn't want to disturb people around you, it is not the best choice to go. Price and warranty. The price of an epilator depends on the features provided. Usually, the epilator range from Rs 1000 to Rs 6000. You must go for the one that is merely based on your budget and needs. Also, do not forget to look for the warranty, because no matter what the product is or of which brand it is, a better warranty is always helpful and reliable. Advantages of using an epilator. Best for skin. Epilators are much more gentle on the skin if we compare them with razors. Efficiency. You may be surprised to know, but epilators are more efficient than waxing. They can remove the finest hair. An epilator can remove even a hair strand of 0.5 mm. No mess. If you use waxing or razor, shaving gel, wax or cream must be used, but it is not in the case of epilator. This is the only product efficient to remove hair without any requirements like these. No prickly feeling. Epilators are best known for the hair removal from the roots. This also helps you to get rid of the prickly stubble. Speed. Depending on the area you might want to epilate, you can choose and adjust the speed according to the area, which is not available when it comes to shaving or waxing. Now, we come up with the best epilators in India available both offline and online. Bronze Silk Epil 9-558 leg wet and dry epilator. The epilator that tops the list of best epilators in India is the Bronze Silk 9-558 epilator. This brand is one of the world's top shaving brand. Now, when we talk about this product, this is one of the fastest and precise epilators that ends up giving you very soft and silky skin. The best part about this product is that it comes with micro grip tweezers that increase the feeding and plucking performance. Its 40% wide head can easily remove the shortest hair even if it's 0.5 mm short. Makes it more efficient than waxing. As already mentioned above, this product is cordless and can be used on both dry and wet skin. Philips BRE 635 Satinel Advanced Cordless Epilator. The next product is from Philips. This epilator is efficient even to remove 0.5 mm hair. It comes in with a 30 mm wide epilator head and has a surface made of ceramic that gently extracts even the finest hair. This epilator is useful in both dry and wet epilation. Apart from all these features, this also comes with a wet stretcher, skin stretcher that tightens skin and prevents the skin from twitching during epilation. Philips BRE 245/00 Satinel Essential Corded Compact Epilator. This another epilator from Philips is a corded device and doesn't require charging at all. Philips is one of the most trustable brands that never fails to give its customer the best quality. This epilator can be used only on dry skin. It also comes with 2 speed settings to remove even thick and thin hair on your body. The accessories of this product are easy to wash and clean. Thanks for watching the video. Check the video description box for the product links. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.